Hello students and friends, welcome to my YouTube channels. So today my topic is partial differential equation. So homogeneous linear partial differential equations we are already discussing. Then I am continuing that same topic. So now we are already case 1 we discussed. Now again parallelly we are discussing both case 1 and case 2. What is case 1? RHS side will be the exponential expression like ax plus by, e to the power ax plus by. Trigonometry will be there na, sin mx plus ny or cos mx plus ny. What will be the pi for this? Okay, this already we discussed, you listen first again. So here we will substitute d is equal to a, d dash equal to b. We will substitute, provided phi d comma d dash should not equal to 0. Should not equal to 0. If 0, then already I told you, if 0, multiply x e to the power ax plus by, then differentiate this term, phi dash d comma d dash. We'll differentiate with respect to d only. Then again we'll substitute same value. If again 0, then put here x square. Again this will come. So if this will not be 0, like phi dash d comma d dash not equal to 0, then this will be the solution. If this will be 0, again what you have to do? Again multiply one more x e to the power ax plus by, then again differentiate this d comma d dash and continue like this. If this will not be equal to 0, answer. This will not equal to 0, answer. Like this we have to go continue, okay? Already problems we did, now we'll combine problem we'll do. Now see this trigonometry, what is the rule? Here, either sine will be there or cos will be there. This is the homogeneous partial differential equation. So what will substitute here for trigonometry? You have to remember d square is equal to minus m square. Remember this minus will not be the square. What you have to remember? This minus will not be in the square. D dash square means minus n square. Minus will be free from this. D dash equal to minus mn. This will substitute. This will substitute in the given homogeneous partial differential equation. This will substitute. And we will see this should not provided phi d comma d dash should not equal to 0. If 0, similar process, x multiply, differentiate denominator once. Again substitute the same part. Again double dash should not be 0. Again we'll differentiate with respect to d, it should not be 0. If 0, again continue one more x multiply, again differentiate. Like this will go. This is the process for this case 2, case 3. Case 3 will be the algebraic expression, that will separately will go. First, generally questions they will ask, either simply they will give exponential or simply trigonometry. That will be 6 marks questions like our 8 marks question. If they will combine exponential and trigonometry, algebraic and trigonometry, like these questions will be the full marks question, either 12 marks or 60 marks according to the university rules. Okay. So now we'll take one problem. This is the rule both we did. Now what we'll do? We'll do the one trigonometry problem. So okay, I will take here example. One trigonometry problems I am taking here. So what is the question? Algebraic already questions, previous video we did that exponential part. Now we'll see one question. D cube minus 4d square d dash, because 3-degree question. So d cube, here also d square, then d dash will be there. Okay, plus 4 d and d dash square, d dash square, z equal to the given 6 sin 3x plus 6y. 6 sin 3x plus 6y. This is the given RHS side. If RHS side not there, na, only complementary functions will find. If both is there, na, complete solution na CF plus PI. Complementary function for particular integral. This is called PI, particular integral. So now first we will write the auxiliary equation. First we will write the auxiliary equation. What is the auxiliary equation? Substitute d equal to m, d dash equal to 1. So substitute here. M cube minus 4m square plus 4m equal to 0. So this we got now. Now 3-degree equation. So 3m value will come. So first we will take one m common here. M common. So m square minus 4m plus 4 equal to 0. So that means m equal to 0, one root. Then m square minus 4. So m minus 2 whole square, this will come. M minus 2 whole square equal to 0. So m equal to 2 comma 2. So 3 value come. If 3-degree equation, 3 roots will come. M are root of this equation. So what is the complementary functions now here? F1 y plus 0x, 0 into x. This you can eliminate also. You can write F1 y only. Okay, but I wrote for understanding. Next, F2 y plus 2x. These two roots are equal here. Two roots are equal here. Then you write x, F3 y plus 2x. Y plus 2x. This is the complementary function. Now we'll go the particular integral. Complementary functions over. Now we'll go the particular integral. This side I will rub it and then I will go the particular integral. So Pi. So Pi will find out. So Pi finding out, first you write the denominator expression what is given here. D cube minus 4d square d dash plus 4d d dash square. What is the given? 6 given. So take 6 here. So take the 6 here. This is Pi is equal to. Okay. 6 you take here. What will be the sine 3x plus 6y. Sine 3x plus 6y. So this is the given. Now what is the rule here? D square equal to minus m square. So first what is the here? D. D is equal to 3 and d dash equal to 6. Because d with this difference, d, what is meaning of d? Dou by dou x. What is d dash? Dou by dou y. So here x term d, y term d dash. Okay. So now you look here. First we will change this. So what is the given? D square is equal to minus m how much? 3 square. So 9 directly. Then d dash square minus n square. N is what is 36. So minus 36. Then what is d dash? D dash minus mn. Minus 6 into 3, 18. So this we got now. This we got now. Now substitute that. 1 by d square. So here d cube is there. 1 d into d square we can write. D cube you can write now. D square into d. So d square value will be how much? Directly minus 9d. D as it is. Minus 4d square d dash. So d square already there. So d square is equal to minus 9. So you write here 4 into minus 9. Then d dash plus. Substitute what is given like this format you remember or this format you understand. So we can. Now what is 4? D dash. So d right as it is. D dash equal to minus 18. And as it is here sine 3x plus 6y. As it is you write sine 3x plus 6y. Now this will solve. This will solve what is getting here. Minus 9d, anywhere d is there? Yes. So this 18 into 18, this is not 18. So okay, 4 into 18, how much? You will see the calculator. 4 into d dash is square. Oh, just 1 minute. Here what is d into d dash is square? No, this value will wrote wrongly. 4d d dash square how much? Minus 36. Minus 36. I taken minus and d dash is there. So already d is there. So d already there. D dash square minus 36. Now 36 into 4. 36 into 4 is equal to 144. So one more time you write here. 9d minus plus 36 d dash minus 144. How much you got? 144. 144 d is there. So how we substituted here? D cube na d square we substituted d as it is. Here also d square taken. Here d dash square taken. Okay, now what is coming here? 144 this. How much coming? 153 minus 153 d plus 36 d dash. Here this you should write continue 3x plus 6y. Here also sine 3x plus 6y. This 6 you carry everywhere. 6 into, you can write 6 into carry everywhere. Okay, now what we get here? 153 plus 6. So if we take here common 9, what is coming here? So we'll write here 6 by 9. From here we are taking common 9. What will be there here? So 6 by 9 once we are taking common. So this plus you bring here 36 now 4d dash. Then minus 153 9 if we take common na, it will come 17d. 17d sine 3x plus 6y. Now look here. Because trigonometry you know d square value, d dash square value, d dash value. Here the terms not there. D dash square terms not there. Then what we'll do now? We'll multiply the conjugate. Conjugate means suppose you have 4d dash minus is there. So conjugate means multiply numerator and denominator 4d dash plus 17d. This will multiply. So I will start here. This I am going to rub it here. So this what will do? Multiply the conjugate. So here 6 by 9 4d dash minus 17d minus 17d divide by minus either no, so plus. So here also will multiply plus also. So what will come? 16d square d dash square minus 17 into 17 it will come 189 d square. Then same as it is sine 3x plus 6y. Okay, as it is. What we did here? Multiply the conjugate. What is conjugate? Look here one time. D dash minus 17d. So multiply 4d dash minus 17d plus this one 4d dash plus 17d. This is called conjugate. So this and this you can numerator, denominator, same thing you multiply, so it will get cancelled. Now this as it is you wrote here, and this 4 into 4, 16d square, like now a plus b, a minus b. What will come? A square minus b square. So that only we wrote here. So this is a minus b, a plus b. A minus b, no problem, any side this should be there. So a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. That we write. Now again substitute same thing here. Again substitute same thing here. 4d dash as it is, right, 17d. Then here 16 into d dash square 36 minus 36 plus 1 minus, no minus is there, 189 into d square minus 9. If we'll solve this, it will get I will write one is 6 by 9 4d dash plus 17d. This will carry here. Then here it will come 5. It will be coming 576 minus 576. This minus plus 1701. I think so. 1701. Okay. Then this sine 3x plus 6y. Okay. Now what we have to do? Look here. D dash meaning is differentiate with respect to y. D dash. D means dy dx. So what we'll do here? If we'll calculate this part, okay, this separately I am doing here. We'll substitute 4d dash plus 17d. What is that? Sine 3x plus 6y. Carefully see this states. 4d dash. That means what is first term? Sine 3x. So I'm writing 4 here. D dash na differentiate with respect to y. So sine differentiation first cos 3x plus 6y with respect to y. So into 6, first one over. Now 17, differentiate with respect to d. But you write first cos 3x plus 6y, sign differentiation this with respect to x. So x is equal to nothing but 3. So what will come? 24 cos 3x plus 6y. Here 51 cos 3x plus 6y. Now what will come? 75 cos 3x plus 6y. Now you got here. So directly we'll write here 2 by 3. Okay, 2 by 3. Then this directly you write 51. 51 is 75 into 75 cos 3x plus 6y. Divide by. Divide by how much it will come this one? 1701 minus 576. It getting 1125. 1125. If this you solve, it will get 2 by 45. 2 by, if you solve this 2 by 45 cos 3x plus 6y. This is called final particular integral. This is called final particular integral. We know. Then what will the solutions here? If you write the solutions, complete solutions is equal to CF plus PI. What CF we got and this PI, you wrote this is a complete solution. Okay, so that answer you have to write CF. Okay, answer I write here. Look here. Answer what will be there? What is complementary functions we got? CS is equal to F1y. Complete solution is equal to F1y plus F2 y plus 2x plus x F3 y plus 2x y plus 2 plus 2 by 45 cos 3x plus 6y. This is the answer for that particular problem. Okay, students, this is steps and all. Watch carefully. Each and every steps will be the similar process. Okay, so many things you have to careful. Just you practice once or twice. So new questions once you will see that you can solve that directly. Okay, thank you, students.